Kia ora koutou. Welcome to Ngā Momo Rerenga Kōrero Part 12, Ngā Rerenga Whakataurite. In this video, I'll be talking about sentences that compare one thing to other things, comparative sentences. To start building our comparative sentences, we're going to need some adjectives or describing words that we can use to compare things. We're also going to need these three small but very important kupu: ake, iho, and atu. Ake relates to describing things that are generally more than in some way or greater than, like bigger, better, faster, more, while iho relates to things that are less than, smaller, slower, shorter, or less. Atu is used in these types of sentences. It can also mean a similar way as ake, but it can be used for both more or less, depending on the context. It's also used to compare things that can be measured, like length, weight, and size. Here are some examples of comparative adjectives to show you what I mean. Let's start with big and small. We've also got long and short, heavy and light, tall and wide, and there's a whole lot more. Now that we've got some kupu in our kete, let's start building comparative sentences, starting with ake. I'll start by sharing a rerenga kōrero Pākehā. The yellow car is faster than the red car. We'll start our sentence with he, followed by the tuahua, the quality that we're describing, which in this case is how fast the cars are. And the kupu for fast is tere. Next up comes our punga, which in this case is ake. Now comes the first thing we're comparing, which is the yellow car. And the second thing, the red car, comes at the end. And our kupu pūhono joining word is i. He tere ake te waka kōwhai I te waka rero. Here's another example. The strawberry is sweeter than the lemon. He reka ake te rōpere I tere mana. Here's a couple of examples using iho to indicate something being less than. The sentence structure stays exactly the same. He pōturi iho te hono whenua I te hea. The tortoise is slower than the hare. And he iti iho te kōtare I te kiwi. The kingfisher is smaller than the kiwi. Here are some examples now using atu. He taumaha atu te toka I te raukura. The rock is heavier than the feather. And the last example, he roa atu te whiore o te kau I tō te poaka. A cow's tail is longer than the tail of the pig. Nā reira, koina tāku whakamāramo o ngā rerenga whakataurite. My brief explanation of comparative sentences. Thanks so much for watching. Hei konā.